One wakes up stressed about rent, the other earns while sleeping. Same age, same city, different money mindset. What is the difference? Is it luck or is it knowledge? Welcome to Trick to Wealth, the place where smart young people break free from financial stress and build real lasting wealth. In this video, we are laying the foundation for your entire money journey, from broke and overwhelmed to confident and financially free. So, stick with me till the end. This is the video that will change everything about your life. What is financial freedom? Let's clear something up. Financial freedom isn't about yachts and Gucci belts. It is about waking up with options, not worrying if your card will decline, not staying in a job you hate just to survive. Real freedom is having control over your time, your choices, and your future. And that's exactly what will help you build here. Here is the brutal truth. Most people will never achieve financial freedom, not because they are lazy, but because they are uninformed. They follow a broken system, which is go to school, get a job, spend money, and repeat. They trade time for money, thinking that's the only way. But in today's world, the rules have changed, and if you don't learn them, you will stay broke. Stage 1. Awareness. Everything begins with awareness. Track every dollar. Know exactly where your money is going. Awareness is your first superpower. Stage 2. Control. Budgeting isn't boring. It is freedom in disguise. Once you control your spending, you control your future. Stage 3. Growth. Next, increase your income, not just by working hard but smarter. Think about this. Think about side hustles. Think about YouTube skills. Think about affiliate marketing. Think about remote jobs. These are the various things you can do to grow financially. Stage 4. Leverage. Then put your money to work. Invest, multiply. Build systems that pay you, even when you are asleep. Now, let's look at your first action steps. Here's what you can do today. Number 1, write down 3 financial goals. Track your spending for the next 7 days. Choose one skill to start learning this month. Start saving immediately, no matter how little it is. Saving and investing small amounts regularly over time builds serious wealth. If this video gave you clarity, don't just keep scrolling. Click subscribe and turn on the bell, because the journey we have started today is just the beginning. Imagine yourself 12 months from now, debt-free, money stacked, no more panic when rent is due. You can get there. It starts with a decision to change, and you just made the choice. This is your new beginning. Your future self is already proud of you. Let's build the wealth they will thank you for.